These are the 7 steps to a successful retirement. Step number 1, you got to have a plan. How can you get somewhere if you don't know how to get there, if you don't have a roadmap? Step 2, maximize your Social Security benefits. Step 3, consider a hybrid retirement. Too many people are trying to retire too early. They haven't saved enough money. Step number 4, protect your savings from inflation. Step number 5, secure more guaranteed lifetime income, because your retirement is really about income. It's not about assets. You got to have a plan for long-term care. You got to use your home equity wisely. And then the last piece that I talk about is the importance of using life insurance to transfer your wealth. And that's really what I've talked about all around the country.